Yeah. He's fucking them fries up. He don't waste this shit. Yeah, I'm fucking them fries up. Yeah.
Real nigga status. Yeah.
Need that.
It's the luxurious McDonald's I ever been to. You see this shit, bro? It's swag. This shit called swag. Hefner diamonds.
Yeah.
I'm at swag Hefner diamonds.
Yeah.
You hear me? You might think I'm eating nasty, but I'm eating because I got money.
Yeah.
You hear me? I can eat how I won't eat now. I'm to that level you can't tell me nothing. You hear me? It's swag. You hear me? You know what swag is when you eat french fries with shit on them?
Oh, yeah, young?
Swag.
Yeah, young.
Put 4 G's on that swag.
Yeah.
You hear me? Man, they gonna feel me.
Yeah. We in this bitch, you hear me? What's yeah, what you need to know?
I ain't even much bucking right now. Cool. Bucking. Put the camera back on homie. Homie bucking. He's
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They done the fries. See the fries? See that? That's what I got now. The swag milk.
Yeah.
You hear me? Everything's swag.
Yeah.
It's a Sprite swag.
Yeah.
You hear me? You know what's in my cup? Sprite. You know what's in my system? Hurt.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You hear me, young?
Yeah. My nigga Book cool.
You hear me? I'm nigga 18. You understand me?
All right now.
You hear me? We in this bitch, you hear me? They know what it is.
That's out to all 38 of my hoes.
Yeah, yeah. Push him, boom, baby.
Man, we need to go see for the hoes.
Shouts out to all the bitches within the future.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Shout out to all the bitches that was fuck.
What you say, bro?
Shout out to all them hoes that was fuck.
Yeah.
Hear me? Yeah, shout out to them hoes. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the hoes that gonna see me soon and they stay.
Alright, look, this is what we gonna do. We gonna go to the studio, we gonna record a song called I Smash.
I smash that ass.
Yeah.
So we gonna name all the hoes we ever smashed.
Yeah.
Put it in that song.
Believe that.
That's what we gonna do. I don't even know how. Hefner gonna write that. But I don't remember that 4 minutes, you heard me?
Yeah.
He gonna write that for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, young. Send a milk.
On me.
That's that center swag. Let me get one, yeah.
Send a swag.
Let me get one, yeah.
You want too much.
Yeah. Damn, baby. My nigga Audi.
Man, I'm coolin', man. You know what I'm saying? When you got $1 billion smile and $1 million swag, you can do anything, man. You already know, man. I'm coolin' right now. I'm casual, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Lynette fitted, not snapback.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on my snapback shit tomorrow.
Right.
It's Fitted Cat Wednesday. I'm gonna do snapback Thursday, and now we doing perk days. And you already know. And I fuck hoes on work day.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Even on their work day.
Take a look at me. I'll give y'all 5 seconds.
Second game off.
We in this bitch, you understand me? You know how it is, Power&money youngin'. We at McDonald's, you understand? We stay eating, cause we paid. Pockets full, you hear me? Fuck with the move, you understand me? This Sprite, you understand? Sprite, bitch. Tokey Hefner, bitch. Yeah. Power&money youngin', bitch. You already know. You smell me? You understand? and we gon' do it, you hear me? We about to blow, you hear me? So keep it on the low. I'm talking to y'all motherfuckers right now, you understand? Cause we gon' hold it down, and that's what it is, you hear me?
Yeah.
Power and money youngin'. You hear me? We about to get the logos, you know, laced up to my homie. Fat Stack, we get us laced up, and we gonna be in that power and money what, you hear me? So, you understand? You hear me? Y'all be on the lookout for that, you understand? You understand me? We gonna hold it down.